we're rolling.
Okay, so this video, LinkedIn, is about what the main difference is between advertising on Google and advertising on LinkedIn. Now on Google, you have something cool, what I like to call high commercial intent, which means people have an intent. If you're a dentist in Sydney and I search dentist Sydney, I know what I want and I can come across your website. The question is, how relevant is that person to the business that you offer? It could be people that are looking for dental university degrees, dental books, dental pictures, dental videos, free dental content, and you're paying for those clicks. However, they do have the intent to search for what you do, right? So when you're on LinkedIn, when you advertise, when the ads show up, we're not actually looking for people that have typed certain search phrases into LinkedIn or Google. We're targeting specific industries and specific job titles within those industries, specific locations, specific company size. So you know that the ideal type of client, however, there's no commercial intent. But on LinkedIn, you can create what I call likability and trust through content marketing. If you create likability and trust, then show somebody a call to action, the chance of them converting is a lot higher. So remember, if you're going to be showing ads on social media, build likability and trust through content as well, and you'll get much better results than you will on Google advertising, even though the people you're targeting do not have commercial intent.